Will exosomes replace PRP in 2026? Well, every year there is something like the big thing, buzzword in aesthetic dermatology. Well, this year exosomes took up that position, and now people are asking whether PRP will be replaced by exosomes. Let me talk a little bit about that and clarify what's going to be the seed in 2026. So, what is PRP? PRP is platelet rich plasma. It is derived from your own blood. We take your own blood, centrifuge it, remove the growth factors, and that growth factor is able to heal your skin, build up collagen, help you to regenerate the skin cells, and it is safe, proven method since years. We use it for skin and hair restoration. While what are exosomes? These are tiny vesicles which are derived from the skin cells. So they come from the skin cells itself. We kind of take them from different sources, like it can be plant exosomes, can be adipocyte exosomes, and can be synthetic exosomes too. What do? They contain growth factors, proteins, and also some genetic material which is used to communicate between two skin cells or two cells wherever we inject it. And that is why it has healing power, it has tissue building power for a longer run. In a single unit of exosome, there are billions of these cellular material, and that is why it is more powerful than our existing PRP. So, will it really overpower PRP? No. I would say exosomes can be used as an enhancement material to PRP. PRP is proven, it's robust. We know that it works, we know how it works, and it is the safest. Along with that, if we use this molecule called as exosomes, we are enhancing the entire efficacy of healing, tissue building naturally. So we can use it for hair regrowth, we can use it for skin enhancement, we can use it for skin rejuvenation and also skin health and energy. So PRP, I feel, will never be replaced. In fact, I would always continue to use my PRP and GFCs, and along with that, also use my exosomes to enhance the effect of skin and hair rejuvenation and skin and hair regrowth. So yes, the bottom line is exosomes will never replace PRP. In fact, you should use it with the PRP.